upside down.
No, there's actually only one way to cure them.
How?
Take a glass of water, take a little bit in your mouth, plug your ears, then swallow it 3 times.
No, you drink water and while you're hanging upside down. Here, hang upside down. I have an idea.
Was that old water?
No.
Okay. It was leaking. Okay. Hurry up.
Okay, hang upside down. Ready? I'm spitting water at them people. Oh my god. Oh my god. You had no idea I was gonna spray that, you did you?
More water, more water. Pour it in the kettle. You're not even hitting me.
In case you didn't know, people are squirting up their nose.
That guy, I know that.
Yeah, man, it looks like she's going potty.
Stop it!
Are you done?
Put it in the glass. Put it in the glass.